how to find a lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily find out any Samsung Galaxy smartphone if it's stolen or lost. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out a lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy phone, the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to go ahead and open up the settings from that Samsung phone, and you just need to make sure one settings is actually enabled. From the settings, go and tap on this Samsung account at the very top, and then scroll down and tap on Find My Mobile. And once you tap on these, make sure these options are enabled. Allow this phone to be found and send last location and also offline finding. If you enable three of this option, that phone is actually be found. And once you have enabled this, now to find out the location of that specific phone, you can grab any phone or computer, whatever you have. You can go ahead and open up a browser first. And once you're here inside the browser, go and tap on this search bar and search for Find a Smart Thing. Once you have searched for Find a Smart Things, he'll get to the first Samsung website, Find a Smart Thing, and go and tap on Find a Smart Things, the first website. Now this will ask you to sign in with your Samsung account. Go and tap on sign in and sign in with your Samsung account. And once you have signed in with your Samsung account, this will take a little time, and immediately this is going to show you the exact location of your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So you got to see this is the exact location of my phone, and this is how we can find a lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.